Ever felt like your digital treasure chest, your crypto wallet, was locked shut and you couldn't find the key? Specifically, have you ever stared blankly at your phone, wondering, how on earth do I get back into my Newton wallet? You're not alone. In the whirlwind world of cryptocurrency, security is paramount, but sometimes it can feel like a fortress with a missing drawbridge. Let's be real. Crypto isn't just about numbers on a screen, it's about financial independence, about dipping your toes into the future of finance. And when that future feels inaccessible, it's frustrating, to say the least. Maybe you've switched phones, perhaps you've forgotten a crucial detail in your security setup, or maybe, just maybe, you're a new user trying to navigate the maze of digital wallets for the very first time. Newton, like many exchanges and wallets, prioritizes your security. They implement measures to protect your assets, but that can sometimes create a hurdle when you need to access your funds. Think of it like this: your Newton wallet is a safe deposit box. The exchange provides the vault, but you hold the key. And if you misplace that key, you need to understand the process to get a replacement. Before we dive into the how, let's set the stage. Why is this important? Well, for starters, your crypto is valuable. It represents your investment, your savings, and in some cases, your livelihood. Knowing how to access your Newton wallet ensures you have control over your assets. Second, understanding the recovery process is crucial for peace of mind. In the unpredictable world of crypto, knowing you can regain access, even if things go awry, is incredibly reassuring. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. How do you open your private Newton wallet? The process largely depends on the reason you're locked out. Did you forget your password? Lose your 2FA device? Or are you dealing with a new device setup? Each scenario has a slightly different path. First, let's tackle the most common issue, a forgotten password. We've all been there. Passwords are a necessary evil, and sometimes they slip our minds. Thankfully, Newton, like most platforms, offers a password recovery option. Here's the breakdown: open the Newton app or website. You'll see a login screen. Look for the Forgot Password or Reset Password link, typically located below the password field. Click on it. You'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Newton account. Newton will then send a password reset link to that email address. Open your email and click on the link provided. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a new, strong password. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've created your new password, you should be able to log back into your Newton wallet. Now, let's address the slightly more complex issue of lost or inaccessible 2FA, or two-factor authentication. 2FA is a security measure that adds an extra layer of protection to your account. It requires a code generated by an app on your phone, like Google Authenticator or Authy, in addition to your password. If you lose your phone or delete the Authenticator app, you'll need to go through a recovery process. Here's how it generally works: contact Newton support directly. This is crucial. They will guide you through the process, which usually involves verifying your identity. Be prepared to provide documentation, such as a government-issued ID, to prove you are the rightful owner of the account. Newton might also ask you security questions or require you to submit a selfie with a specific code or document. Once your identity is verified, Newton will typically disable your old 2FA and help you set up a new one. This process can take some time, so be patient and follow their instructions carefully. Another common scenario is setting up your Newton wallet on a new device. If you're switching phones or using Newton on a different computer, you'll need to re-authenticate your account. This usually involves entering your password and completing the 2FA process. Here's the drill: download the Newton app on your new device or visit the Newton website. Enter your email address and password. You'll be prompted to enter your 2FA code. If you've already set up 2FA on a different device, use that device to generate the code. If you don't have access to your old 2FA, you'll need to follow the 2FA recovery process as described earlier. Now, let's talk about a few best practices to prevent these issues in the future. First, always back up your 2FA recovery codes. When you set up 2FA, you're given a set of recovery codes. Store these in a safe place, like a password manager or a secure physical location. These codes can be used to recover your 2FA if you lose access to your Authenticator app. Second, use a strong and unique password for your Newton account. Avoid using easily guessable passwords or reusing passwords from other accounts. Consider using a password manager to generate and store your passwords securely. Third, regularly update your contact information on Newton. Ensure your email address and phone number are up to date. This will make it easier to recover your account if needed. Fourth, familiarize yourself with Newton's security features and policies. Understanding how the platform protects your assets will help you navigate any issues that may arise. Fifth, be cautious of phishing attempts. Scammers often try to trick users into revealing their login credentials or 2FA codes. Never share your password or 2FA code with anyone, and always double-check the website or email address before entering your information. Sixth, consider enabling biometric authentication if your device supports it. This adds an extra layer of security and can make logging in faster and easier. Seventh, and perhaps most importantly, if you are experiencing any technical difficulty or are unsure about any part of the process, always contact Newton customer support. They are there to help you, and it is better to ask for help than to make a mistake that could jeopardize your assets. Remember, the key to accessing your Newton wallet is understanding the security measures in place and following the appropriate recovery procedures. Don't panic if you get locked out. Take a deep breath and follow the steps outlined in this video. And always remember, security is a partnership between you and the platform. Now, let's address a few common questions. What if I can't find my recovery codes? If you've lost your recovery codes, you'll need to contact Newton support and go through the identity verification process. How long does the recovery process take? The time it takes to recover your account can vary depending on the complexity of the issue and the volume of support requests. Be patient and follow Newton's instructions. What if I suspect my account has been compromised? If you suspect your account has been compromised, immediately change your password, contact Newton support, and report any suspicious activity. Navigating the world of cryptocurrency can be daunting, but with the right knowledge and tools, you can confidently manage your digital assets. Remember, security is not just about protecting your funds, it's about protecting your peace of mind. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can ensure you always have access to your Newton wallet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.